Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable to show recents in Siri Search on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, but let me show you what we are talking about. So if you swipe down, and you are going to get recent searches and the recents in the Siri suggestions. So if you don't want to see this, you want to go to the settings. From the main page you want to go to swipe down and go to the Siri and search. So just tap on that one. Once you're here, swipe down again and just turn off the option called Show Recent. So just tap on a button right here. Now it's off, now it's on. And from the time it is off, it is not going to show you the recent searches of the Siri search. So again, how to get to the setting. So open main settings, swipe down, go to the Siri and search, swipe down, and enable or disable to show recents. Now they are on, as you can see, and now they are off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!